I, Vidhu Grace Noel from St. John's College, would like to thank, first of all, Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar University for giving me a chance to present my paper on challenges and threats faced by MSMEs post-lockdown due to migration of labor. As you all know, the world is going through a bad situation, a pandemic, which is an unprecedented shock to the Indian economy. The economy of India was already in pariah state before COVID-19 struck. With prolonged countrywide lockdown, global economy turndown, and associated disruption of demand and supply chains, economy is like to face a protracted period of slowdown. Now, the most important sector that has been affected by this lockdown is micro, small, and medium enterprises, which we call as MSMEs. And MSMEs actually had been the backbone of the economy. Consequences of behavior changes posed by lockdown on migrant labor. Labor will not be available soon after lockdown, as you all know. Rehabilitation of migrant labor is going to be an urgent need to mobilize resources and to stimulate the economy for the increased employment. After lockdown, it should be ensured that the migrant labor is available for the revival of MSMEs and construction sectors. Lockdown will again put a pressure on MSMEs and farm sector. Social crisis created by lockdown will create inequality, increasing inequality and discrimination in unemployment. Apart from providing robust safety nets for vulnerable, a focus on ensuring job continuity and job creation in non-agriculture sector will be an imperative. Now, problem faced by MSMEs due to lockdown. Cash flow is the major issue and they are not able to make wage payments for the month of April. Some entrepreneurs have not fully paid wages and salaries for the month of April. Some entrepreneurs indicate that they have not been receiving the raw material, which was the major concern when which is the major concern when the lockdown will end. Getting migrant labor back to work will be very difficult. Then they are not able to judge how to pay the wages to whom. The fine printouts again is a worrisome challenge faced by the MSMEs, and survival was the biggest challenge rather than profitability. Challenges faced by MSMEs due to migration of labor. It will be again a challenge to convince staff to return or acquire new staff, and staff changeover is expected to impact negatively on productivity. Machinery and stocks of raw material, work in progress, and final product will have degraded due to lockdown. Ensuring timely supplies of essential input without price hike is a concern. Even though MSMEs have started to think through potential solutions to many and diverse startup challenges, forward planning still appeared to be in its early stage. MSMEs have started to consider workforce-related solution, and they are actually working on hiring of the temporary workers on walk-in basis. At the end, we can conclude by saying that lockdown will end, but MSME sector will face a problem because of the labor and because of the finances also. So the moratorium taken by MSMEs should be extended from 3 months to 6 months with a nominal or no rate of interest. Then electricity bill with minimum charges also should be waived off. So because industry was under lockdown, liquidity is, we know, is the key to the revival of MSMEs. So the public support must be extended to microfinance institutions and non-banking financial companies that provide loan to MSMEs. Raw materials that are sourced from different places are not able to come due to lockdown. So the transport of the raw material should be started, and the rent of the ports because of the material should be waived off. Last but not the least, the e-marketplace is a better suggestion for the artisans because they won't have their marketing channels, which were melas and trade fairs, for the future some time. Thank you.